So you're getting ready to refinance again, or you're moving toward that purchase closing, and you want to know what these documents mean this time. Hi, I'm Mark Stiles of Stiles Law down here at Studio B. Okay, so you're proceeding forward toward your closing, and 3 days prior to the scheduled closing, you get this document, a CD. No, not one of those CDs. Not an 8-track either. A closing disclosure. This is your loan in a nutshell, and it's being explained to you in as clear and transparent way as possible. Little history lesson. This document actually arrived in the aftermath of the mortgage meltdown. You know, the Great Recession, 2008, all that stuff. This document came to be because of that, to give the consumer more protection. So here we go, the closing disclosure, showing you your loan in its most clear and unambiguous way possible. So let's look at it, shall we, Thomas? So on the first page, you're going to see your name, Billy Buyer. You're buying, congratulations. Your loan amount is $250,000, and there's your interest rate right there, along with your monthly principal and interest. That's not your payment, though. You got to go down a little bit further for that, because there are escrows. Remember the escrows? Taxes and insurance? Sometimes mortgage insurance, sometimes flood insurance. But your escrows are listed there, and that's what your payment is. And there at the bottom are your closing costs, as well as the amount that you need to bring to closing. Page 2, here are the numbers. These are the settlement charges. These are all of the numbers associated with your side of the transaction. Bank fees, out-of-pocket fees, recording fees, settlement fees. All of these are listed right here on page 2. On page 3, you'll see where it was originally estimated at the beginning of the process with your loan professional. We didn't have that information, so you're seeing zeros there now. But on your document, it will match your loan estimate from the beginning of your process, compared to the final numbers right next to it. But what about the seller? Obviously, this is a purchase transaction, and there's going to be some adjustments between you, buyer, and the seller, such as real estate taxes, fuel adjustments. Do you owe the seller money? Does the seller owe you money? Those will be listed here as well. And then on page 4, more loan disclosures, the small print, the legal stuff, what type of loan you have versus what type of loan you don't have. Remember that comment I had about the mortgage meltdown? Well, there's a box here that says you do not have a negative amortization loan. Thank goodness. And then there on your final page are the loan calculations. Don't look too closely at this because it might make you nauseous to see how much interest you actually pay. But without the help of the bank, you probably wouldn't be buying this house. And then of course there's the contacts. Who you may want to be in touch with during this process are listed at the bottom of page 5. Now remember, you want to sign and date this document. So that's the closing disclosure, the CD. Enjoy your closing. Folks, I hope you appreciate this video. If you did, please share it with everyone and anyone. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel right here at Stiles Law. Thank you and be well.